When you listen to just one song, you can make $10. Two songs can bring in approximately $15, and 10 songs can bring in about $80. Imagine how it would feel to be paid to listen to music. I have already made about $1,000 on this platform, and this is the procedure. Your first action should be to visit pixabay.com. I want you to look for the music tab on their website. If you can't find it, just type pixabay.com/music into your browser. You may find royalty-free music tracks on this website, which are accessible for download and listening by anyone. You can search for an artist, a song, a genre, or music to listen to if you're in a certain mood, as you can see from the search box here. You can notice that this website offers all of these music tracks that you may download to any device if you scroll down. There are no costs associated with them, and you are free to download as many songs as you want. On this website, we won't only be downloading and listening to music. I'm going to demonstrate an intriguing technique that you may use on this website to get everyday profits similar to those seen above. This is a proof that the approach will be effective for you. You can see that the list is endless and that the people are currently using this strategy to generate money every single day. This strategy is really easy to use, and even if you are a newbie and have never made money online, you will be able to do this if you listen to it at least 50 to 100 songs every day. So that you can follow along, make sure your laptop or smartphone is available. You will be able to see tens of thousands of songs on this page. We won't just download any song that we find on our website. I'm going to share some unique advice with you that I used, and that will enable you to increase your income. Let's move to the left side of this website to find all of this music organized into many genres. The genres that will be displayed here include electronic, upbeat, beats, beautiful place, alternative hip-hop, main title music, ambient, and many more. You can find a wide variety of songs on Pixabay Music, and you can earn about $10 for every song you download and play repeatedly. Therefore, all you need to do is come here and push the play button, and the song will begin to play. You can listen to this music all the way through, and if you find that you like it, and you believe that other people will like it as well, you can continue with this method's following step. However, if you don't like it, and you can probably guess that other people won't either, just leave it and look for some other music. Let's use the search bar to look up pop music for this tutorial. I'll use pop music as an example because it's a really common genre and you can probably start making money with it really quickly. Let's press the play button once more to hear a sample of the song. I'll only play this song for a few seconds to check whether it's a nice pop song. I believe this is a cool song, and I could see myself listening to it repeatedly. Next, download this song to your computer by clicking this button right here. To prepare for the next step, we want to repeat this process at least a few times, listening to the songs, choosing the ones we believe are enjoyable to listen to, and then downloading them to your laptop. It's important to keep in mind that the more songs you download and listen to, the more money you'll make. I suggest taking a little more time to listen to these songs, download your favorites, and complete this step. The following step is for you to visit this website, upforever.com. We will receive payment from upforever.com, a free service for distributing our music files. I am aware that you are probably wondering, what if many people download the same song and upload it to this website? How will we be compensated? Well, the benefit of publishing your work online is that there are no traffic restrictions. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Let's return to making money right away. These pieces of music are searched for by millions of people worldwide, so we won't be receiving traffic from the same source as everyone else. You can opt to turn these gains into products, as it states right here on their webpage. We can upload our files safely, and we then withdraw the profits from various payment methods. When someone downloads a file that you have published to their website, they will be shown some ads, which they may choose to skip or watch. This is how the system works. They're splitting the ad revenue in this platform with you, so both you and the platform will profit from it. I'll give you a real example of how to increase your income. You may sign up quickly and easily. It won't take you more than a minute. Just very basic information about yourself is required here. Enter your login information here to access your account and then log in. If you want to see how this works in practice, click here where it says Make Money. They will provide you with the most competitive cost available. How much will you be paid is shown in the table below, and it depends on where the majority of your downloads will come from. For instance, you would receive $3 if the majority of your downloads came from Tier 4 nations. You will be paid $4 if you receive downloads from Tier 2 and 3 countries, and $7 if you receive downloads from Tier 1 nations. Here are all the options for withdrawing your money from this platform. You can choose from any of these other payment options in addition to PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Paysera, and Advance Cash. These have a $1 minimum payout requirement. You can withdraw any amount you have earned as soon as you hit their minimum level. However, if you scroll down, you will discover that there are around 5 other ways to make money from this website. The one that appeals to me the most is this one, where I can select the price of these files to be sold through my account and profit each time someone downloads my content. I always get paid at least 10% of what they make. You can see all the features you have on your dashboard over here on the left, where you can set this up. Simply select Choose File and upload one of the tracks you downloaded from Pixabay. By clicking here, where it says Upload Files, make sure it is set to public before entering the song's description in this field. To begin uploading your files, click Start Upload. Once your files have been submitted, select your desired price by clicking on this pencil icon. I'm only going to enter $6 as the song's price, so each time someone downloads it, I'll make around that much money. You can upload as many songs as you wish by repeating this procedure. Make sure to give these music selections a listen to see whether they are decent songs. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.